To fix Cash App direct deposit not showing up, start by checking your account status and ensuring that your employer or sender has initiated the direct deposit. Verify that your Cash App account is active and that you have a verified debit card linked to your account. Next, check the deposit status by logging into your Cash App account and navigating to the Activity tab. If the deposit is pending, wait for at least 2 business days for it to be processed. If the deposit is missing, contact your employer or sender to confirm that it was sent. Another common issue is incorrect account information. Ensure that your employer or sender has the correct routing and account numbers for your Cash App account. You can find this information in the Cash App by going to the Banking tab and selecting Direct Deposit. If you have recently changed your account information, such as your debit card or address, this may also cause delays in receiving your direct deposit. In this case, contact Cash App support to update your account information and ensure that your direct deposit is processed correctly. Additionally, technical issues such as server downtime or maintenance may also cause delays. Check the Cash App status page to see if there are any known issues that may be affecting your direct deposit. To avoid future issues with direct deposit, make sure to keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. You can also set up notifications to alert you when a direct deposit is received. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Cash App support for further assistance. They will be able to provide more detailed guidance and help resolve the issue promptly. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly troubleshoot and fix the issue with your Cash App direct deposit not showing up.